The right boiler drain valve can extend the working life of a water heater by years. Cut down on maintenance and keep water heaters running efficiently with boiler drain valves from Bluefin. Boiler drain valves are used to remove condensation and excess fluid that may build up over time in water heating systems. Bluefin boiler drain valves are made with forged brass and rated for a maximum resistant pressure of 300 psi and a maximum working temperature of 300 degrees Fahrenheit for safe and effective use in most household applications. Bluefin boiler drain valves are available in 1/2 or 3/4 inch varieties and in male or female pipe thread connection types with extended threads that help ensure a secure connection. Bluefin boiler drain valves are available for potable and non-potable applications. Non-potable drain valves may cost less, but they aren't approved for safe use in drinking water systems. Make sure any drain valve you get matches the system you're working with. Get more info about Bluefin boiler drain valves here, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product tips, tutorials, and trade-related content.